Can an LLC own a C corporation? Yes, an LLC can own shares in a C corporation, and there are no IRS restrictions preventing this. Many businesses use this structure when an LLC wants to diversify investments, create subsidiaries, or manage multiple ventures under one umbrella. Since C Corpus can issue unlimited shares, they are flexible for ownership by individuals, LLCs, or other entities. For example, your LLC could own 100% of a C Corp that handles a separate product line, or it could own partial shares in a C Corp alongside other investors. The liability stays limited to the LLC, which helps protect your personal assets. The main consideration is taxes. C Corps face double taxation. Profits are taxed at the corporate level, and again when distributed as dividends. If your LLC owns the C Corp, it's important to plan ahead to manage this structure efficiently. Zen Business can help you form both LLCs and corporations and ensure ownership is set up correctly. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.